Welcome in the kitchen. My voice is cracking, y'all. I'm getting tired, but that's all right. I've gotten a lot done today. It's almost supper time, and I'm going to bring y'all along as we fix supper. But right now, I'm going to make us a pie. Look at my pretty pie dish. Isn't that pretty? I love pretty dishes. I just think they make your food so nice when you've got a pretty dish. We're going to make a lemon pie. First, we need a crust. And our crust, I bought these cookies a while back going, I'm going to make a lemon pie and make a crust. Shh. They're lemon snaps. And I thought, you know what, make a lemon pie and make the crust out of these. It'd be so good. That is a good cookie, y'all. All right. We'll put these in here and wheel them about. I think I'm unplugged. Y'all think I'd work better if I was plugged in? I do. Making fun. There we go. Now then, while I melt some butter, you all hit the subscribe button for me, okay? And I'll be right back with some melted butter to put in here to make our pie crust. Okay, I'm going to add this butter in here, and I'm just going to keep this thing going on low. Can y'all see good? I think you can. Okay, I'm going to give y'all measurements. This is one 10-ounce box. One 10-ounce box of cookies. One 10-ounce box of cookies. And that was one stick of melted butter. Made our crust. Yum, yum, yum. Alrighty, let's get us something and mash that around in our pie plate. I could use my hand. I could. But I think I'd rather use this right here. Well, that's not working, is it? I might have to resort just to my hands. Y'all ever had to do that? Comes Andy back inside. Could use a little glass. We're just going to mash this around in here just like this. We're going to pop this in the oven and let it bake for about 10 minutes. 350, 325, something like that. What does Mama say? Y'all, this is my mama's recipe.
I pay.
No. Let's see what Mama says to cook it. Bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. That's what Mama said. Okay. And come up here and mash this all down on the sides. All the way around. Mashed it on the bottom. Let's get all the sides. Well, put a hole in it there, didn't I? Let's pull some of that over this way. All right, I'm going to pop this in the oven, 350 for 10 minutes. Then I'll be back and we'll finish up the rest of our pie. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Our crust is out of the oven and it's been cooling for a while. Let's make our filling for our pie. We'll dust out the bowl. Let me let her outside. All right, for this filling, we need 3 large egg yolks. So for that, I'm using this handy dandy Pampered Chef egg separator. Just because I have it. If I didn't have it, I'd just do it the old-fashioned way. But since I've got it, why not use it, right? There's one. There's 2. Oops, and that got a little bit of white in it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put them right back in there. Separate that out. Need one more. All right, that's our 3. They don't look very big, do they? I think maybe I'll add one more. Because I don't want our pie to be runny. Trying to get that off. All right, I'm going to add one more. Because that one looked small. All right. Now then, we're going to beat these up. Whip them up. Bring y'all over here. Turn you down so you can see in there. Can y'all see that good now? Oh, hold on. Now then, maybe you can see it. All right, can y'all see those, how they're light in color? I don't know if you can or not. Can y'all see that now? I think you can see it a little bit better. All right, now to that, I'm going to add this 1 14-ounce can of Eagle brand milk. This right here, eaglebrand sweetened condensed milk this time. Not evaporated, but sweetened condensed. Getting every drop. You see how I'm using the whisk there to scrape that off? Otherwise, it'd be on the side up here and it wouldn't get down in there good. Okay? All right, now we're going to mix that up. Whip it together. All right, now then, we've got lemons. Okay, I'm going to try to get y'all where you can see. We've got some lemons right here. I have washed said lemons and dried my lemons. Got 6 lemons. And we are going to zest these lemons. Tell y'all this every time I zest something, you go over it one time. Just one time. Turn the lights on. Then we're going to juice these lemons. And this says I need 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Okay? So we're going to juice these lemons. Here's my cup. So let's see how many lemons it's going to take for us. Well, that's a bread knife. I don't want that knife. I want this one right here. Okay, here's our juicer. I could get out the big juicer, but just for 1 or 2 or 3 lemons, I think that's a little bit overkill. What do y'all think? Okay. You can use bottled lemon juice. My mom always did. But fresh is always better. Okay. All right, let's get us another lemon here. While I'm doing this, you all hit the subscribe button. If I may have already told you to do that. But if you haven't, you need to, because we're going to have a contest and you have to be subscribed to win. And you're going to want to win this pretty apron that I've made. And we've got to get to 3,500 subscribers. We're 200 away. So hit that subscribe button and share them and tell people to subscribe so we can do our giveaway. I'm anxious for it. So you all are going to want this apron. And y'all, if you zest your lemons before you squeeze them, they're easier to squeeze. All right, we're going to need at least 2 more lemons. I'll be back when I get our lemons done. Y'all can't hear a word I'm saying. Ding dang it, I've got all kinds I'll have to voice over now. Lord have mercy. It's been a long day. All right, here's our pie. And it has set up just beautifully. Just beautifully. We're going to cut us a piece. Y'all know the first piece of pie never comes out right. This one might. So lemony, so tart. Uh-oh. Came out pretty good. It did. I'm going to stir this powdered sugar into this whipped cream I just whipped. Y'all, I did this with the immersion blender. It took about 2 seconds. That's all it took. Look at that lovely piece of pie. Let's get us a fork on here. Let's go in here and taste it. I know it's going to be good. This is one of my favorite recipes, y'all. It does need to be a little colder. Actually, you can even put it in the freezer. That lemon cookie crust is so good. I'm gonna fix the boys a piece of pie, and then I think we're gonna get ready and settle down, maybe watch a little television, and then go to bed because it's getting late. It's almost 10 o'clock. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.